beautiful people, you're welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I am Confidence, a mommy vlogger based here in Abuja, Nigeria. If today is your first time coming across this my pretty face, you are highly welcome. Please relax and enjoy this video. And for my OGs, there is one lady that is giving me joy. There's one lady, there's one, I don't want to call her name, but she used to comment one beautiful comment. She dropped that comment. If I read it, I'll be like, yes, she got my back. Yes, my sister, thank you so much for always liking my video and commenting to my videos. Thank you so much. And for everybody that is always commenting and liking my videos, may God bless each and every one of you wherever you're watching me from. So in today's videos, I bring a Basbos discussion for every one of us here. A lot of things is going wrong these days. And you know what? Confidence cannot keep quiet. Confidence will not zip her mouth. So we need to talk about it. Now, there's some people that will come to my video and say, Confidence, do you remember that, Sister Confidence, do you remember that video that you did and they said, consequence of you neglecting your spiritual gifts? And I will say yes. They'll be like, it's like I'm talking to them. I was talking to them. In fact, Confidence, how do I start? Confidence, can I start selling those things that you are selling? Confidence, can I start selling spiritual work? Does it have any side effect? If you are an ordained spiritual person, you will know that before you do anything spiritually, you must go spiritual. So you are looking for somebody that will tell you, oh, you are going ahead. And tomorrow when that thing backfire, you will not hold me red-handed and say, Confidence says something like that, which I will not answer you. I really want to make this video public today. A lot of our guests today, everybody don't turn to water. I come from water. I come from water. Nobody want to come from air too. Nobody want to come from fire again. Nobody want to come from air. Everybody is now water. I want to start spiritual work so that you start duping people from their hard-earned money. You start duping people from their hard-earned money. You are from water. Who told you so? Because you meet the hungry person like you, looking for who to collect from, and that person had nothing to tell you. The only thing that could come out from that person's mouth is that you are from water. Among all our guests today, everybody is now from water. Nobody is from earth again. What is happening? Kilo de, kilo shele. What is happening? If everybody now come from water, who will come from earth? Who will come from air? Everybody is now from water. Everybody is now wine. Nobody want to praise God again. Oh. Before you know it, they will start telling us, oh yeah, use alligator pepper, use alligator pepper. I wonder why that alligator peppers haven't increased money. Because the uses of alligator pepper in this our spiritual work now is even more than the spiritual work itself. Everybody want to do spiritual work. Nobody want to praise God again. Nobody want to go to church. Everybody is now from water. And if you watch, is all this our auntie, all this our aunties, we don't look for life. They don't live life tired. That life don't tire them. Husband is not forthcoming. If you ask their age, Abba, husband is not forthcoming. Now they don't turn to be as a wine. Before you know it, their hair now they put a ashwankpa. Do you know what is ashwankpa? Ashwankpa is cowries. They use and they do guy. They are as a wine, but they are clueless. I know some people will come for me, but I know why I'm saying this. There's a lot of work. This our spiritual work. It has repercussion. If you are not called to it, and you start being as a wine, you start coming from water when you are earth, when you are fire. When you are air, you turn your elements to water. You turn earth element to water element. I know that even though when you are from water, or you are from air, earth, and all that, you still have to connect the 4 elements together in some cases. Okay, but the rate of our girls and our boys is coming into spiritual these days is fast alarming, and it is not giving me joy, because they have nothing to offer you other than coconut water and alligator pepper. They have nothing to offer you other than coconut water and alligator pepper. And come to think of it, do you know that this Favor soap, if you go to any herbal shop, you can get already made Favor soap. Some of them go all those places to get Favor soap and sell to you. And you know what? It will not work for you. That Favor soap was not made with your name. That Favor soap was not made with anything that concerns you. It has been made and kept for that herbal shop. Do you know I have a herbal shop? And all those things, it is in my shop. So if I can come outside to say this with something that is even in my shop, you will know that confidence is actually telling you the truth. I am not trying to spoil anybody's business. I am not trying to say that others' own is not working. But I am trying to tell our upcoming spiritualists, whether they are from water, whether they are from sea, whether they are from ocean. If all of us are from water, the question is, who will now come from earth? Who will now come from air? Who will now come from fire? Since everybody is now from water. Onye paraka no shigna ya bu nwa mmiri. Onye jura so shigna ya bu nwa mmiri. I come across in contact of one lady. It was a terrible experience. And I don't wish it for my enemy. You came for a solution. You meet confidence for a solution. And anything confidence tell you, you'll be like, confidence, do you know that I have my spiritual power? Because I'm a water spirit. Because I come from water. I was like, since you are from water and you have your own power, why then do you come and meet confidence? Why not solve this particular problem you have? And she will apologize. So she will say, confidence, I'm sorry. I didn't know that I have crossed boundary. But my sister, my brothers, if you give her a second chance, she will still repeat all those things. She once tell me, confidence, that she would like me to create an altar for her. This is a lady that is in abroad. She want an altar in, she's prepare an altar and send to her in abroad. Then any customer that will be coming, she will be doing the work in her name, while I will be the one suffering. And when that work for that person, she will take my glory. She will sit on top of my glory, on top of my stress, on top of my sweat. A lot is happening. I have to advise her. Even as I'm doing this work, I have my herbal shop. I have where my altar is. They are not anywhere close to where my children can go because I have children. I advise her as a sister and as a good person I am. Yes, you can't create an altar, because when your altar needs something, and I have seen the kind of person you are, when your altar needs something, some sacrifice, and you refuse to give out, it will take anybody. It will take anybody. So that is why it is not good to keep an altar that you cannot maintain. That is why it is not good to keep an altar that you are not maintain, that you will not maintain. Going back to the video that brought us today, our young girls, if anyway me we bundi bagora akuna, ha batagwa akuna ka iku wa gugo ha, no work, no husband, no children. The only thing that about hanumi imakwana spiritual work na enyego. Do you know that spiritual work gives money? Why not join the queue? Before you know it, come if you go to Facebook, each time I go to Facebook, I shed tears. I shed tears on Facebook. YouTube is even small. The one that we are seeing in YouTube is small. Go to Facebook. You will shed tears. And those people, they will have followers. They will complain every time their followers will be complaining. I will just cross my leg. I will be watching them. I am not saying that if you want to do a spiritual work, there are ones that you can go and learn. If you are so eager to do spiritual work, there are ones you can go and learn. They will teach you Madibia. But this one that you know that if you do it, it will bring repercussion. Let me tell you. Do you know that as I'm doing this work, I have my animal farm? Do you know why I'm training an animal? Should in case tomorrow I make mistake with my altar, instead of them to take anything that belongs to me that will pain me, instead of them to take any human head that will pain me, they should take any of my animal in my farm. They should take any of my animal that is in my farm. So if you want to do any spiritual work, my brother, my sister, you will wear jackets, coats, wear suits, tie am, because it's not an easy journey. It's not an easy journey. There's a lot of things that I will keep on saying, my dear sisters and brothers. Even without joining spiritual work, there's a lot you can do for yourself. Being it on YouTube, being it on Facebook, even on Instagram, there's a lot you can do for yourself. In order for you to, when that income will start coming, you will relax and enjoy it. Okay? So now, my dear brothers and sisters, there are things you can't see with your physical eyes. Look for job. Don't create unnecessary karma for yourself, because you might start doing it today and you feel like it is working, there is money on it, which you know that what you are doing to somebody is not good, what you are working there is not good, and you keep doing it. My brother, in fact, the increase of alligator pepper, I will increase the price of my alligator pepper, because the work alligator pepper is doing these days is much. The work of coconut water these days, is too much, not too much. The work of all this already made favor soap is doing in the harbor shop that I own. Even the work where the soap they do, even past the soap itself. Organic. Why? We want to eat and forget about tomorrow. There is another work elsewhere. I am not saying you should not do spiritual work, but before you start doing spiritual work, follow the procedure. There's a lady that is in Nigeria, but the number she's using on her WhatsApp is American US number. She called me one day and said, Confidence, please, I want to buy something, buy this one. That she have been seeing herself healing people in her dream. Confidence, she want to start. How do she start? And I said to her, Madam, you can't do spiritual, you can't start all over. You cannot be in America and do the necessary things that you want to do, because there's some things you need to eat with your mouth. There's some concoction that is needed to prepare for you that you need to eat with your mouth. So there is no way I will do anything when you are absent. Then she now said, okay, she understand. She gave me 1 month and she called me back again with that number. She told me, Confidence, that she's in airport, that she's about to board. That she's about to board to come to Nigeria. Hey. Then Anna said, why? Did anything happen? She said, no, that she want to come and claim, she want to come and start doing her spiritual work. And I said, okay, no problem. Then not up to 12 minutes. 12 minutes. She come here and tell me that she's in her village already. I was shocked. I was like, how? You just called me now. How did it happen? How did it happen? Don't be deceived. I used to say it because if I should continue the way this thing is paining me, boiling me, don't be deceived, my darling brothers and sisters. Don't be deceived. Don't be deceived. Why I don't normally talk about all these things is because I cannot help the spirits, because the karma surely will visit them. The karma will surely visit them. The karma will surely visit them. Anyways, even if I start from now to talk from today to tomorrow, there will still not be change because they will not listen to me. But I will keep saying it. And for your understanding, if I've said alligator pepper to you for 100 naira, my dear, I will increase the price because the work done too much for the alligator pepper itself. And for the coconut water, the work done too much for her. Even the favor soap, the work done too much past the favor soap itself. It's too much. Nobody want to do sacrifice, though, but all of us want to get favor. How does it work? Anyways, for us not to make this video too long, we will end it here. And I will see you guys in my next video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. It doesn't remove anything from my body, but I will keep saying the truth. And I will see you guys in my next video. But for now, stay safe, remain blessed. Bye.